Hello back. Here we are working with only two branches, branch A and branch B. What about if you want to add another branch to your Excel file? So I will go back to my Excel file, that one, and here we have only two branches. We can have like insert new branch, or we can copy this one to the end to have like branch 3, and here I'm gonna say branch C, and here we're gonna paste this one. We can change the values 1000. After I updated all the values, here we have like table design. We can open this table from table design, and here's the name. Instead of branch B4, we can say branch C. After that, I will save the Excel file, and let's go back again to our PowerBi. Here, all you're gonna do from Home tab, we have here an option, call it refresh. Just click on the refresh and look at the magic here. Here we're gonna have branch A and branch B, and still we don't have the updated branch C. But as you can see, nothing it changed. So how can I add branch 3 to this one? Look at this step. First of all, let's go back again to Excel workbook, and from here we're gonna choose Power BI data, and I'm gonna hit on OK. After that, we will choose anything from here. It doesn't matter, branch A, C, whatever. Then we're gonna click on transform data, which is gonna load with us the Power Query. After it's loading, as you can see, then the next step we're gonna hit here on navigation. After that, we're gonna right click and choose delete until end. Then we're gonna click on delete. Here we can find all the kind of tables or sheets that already inside this Excel file. All we're gonna do is we're gonna do a filtration. We want only table, so I'm gonna remove select all, and I'm gonna click on the table. Here we have only 3 tables, branch A, branch B, and branch C. After that, we want only just the words that gonna start with branch to be act as our data source. So from the name, we have here an option for text filter begin with, and here we're gonna have like a pop-up window. From begin with, we're gonna type here our text is like branch. So any text start with branch, like branch A, B, C, even in the future D or F, it will be with our data source. For now, nothing will be changed because all of them start with branch. And to verify this, you can click here on the table, and here we can see our data that we are fetching from the Excel for branch A, and that one for branch B, and that one for branch C. All we want to import just the name and data, so you can use the shift key from your keyboard to only select for this, but all the others we don't want, so we can remove columns from here and keep only both of them, name and data. And one more point here, for this icon we can have like another view. We have here the months and the review or revenue, but we're gonna uncheck this one, and then we're gonna hit on OK. Here we can find all the data is coming for us, branch A and branch B and branch C. All of them are right now in one table. And for cleaning the data, we have to make sure that one is basically from type text. So we're gonna click here on ABC and make sure it's text, and this one we're gonna make sure actually it's text as well. Let me make sure. And the last one, it should be whole number. From here we're gonna choose that one to be whole number. And for now, we're gonna update this name. Instead of branch A, we're gonna call it sales data updated and hit enter. And the last step here, we're gonna hit on close and apply. We're gonna go back again to our report view and look at this. After it's gonna load it, we're gonna use the new data source for us, the branch. So instead of the name, we can even have a rename for this name. From here we can call it branch better, and instead of using this one with the legend, we're gonna remove this one, and this time we're gonna use the branch. And look at this, right now we have branch A, B, C, and instead of the old data source, we're gonna use the new one, revenue, with the values. And here we have the updated data for the branch A and branch B and branch C. And for me, I prefer to change the color from the format view. So let me go to slice, and instead of this blue, we can use this color. And instead of this one, we can use, okay, we're gonna keep it as an orange, and the last one we can keep it as green, for example. And that's basically how to update your data source and combine new table into your data source. See you in the next session.